Hi, come in. My name's Dr. Justin from Sydney, Australia. I'd like to show you around my holiday apartment here in Pärnu, Estonia. Let's start by showing you the master bedroom.
This beautiful master suite has a hotel quality king-size bed and designer curtains. The wall-mounted 55-inch television has all the cable channels that you can think of. The master suite has its own private veranda balcony. It has retractable glass windows to protect you from the city noise and from the weather. The master bedroom has its own spacious ensuite bathroom. It comes with modern German tapware and plenty of cupboard space. The master suite has a walk-in wardrobe with plenty of space to hang clothes and store luggage. The second bedroom comfortably fits 4 adults. There's 1 comfortable double bed and 2 single beds in a Danish-made high and sturdy bunk bed. This guest bedroom has also its own small balcony. The second bathroom is just as modern as the master bathroom and is fully equipped with everything you need. Probably the most beautiful part of the apartment is the combined dining and living room. Designer lamps, quality chic curtains and big comfortable sofas. Relax with a huge 65-inch television or use the top quality stereo system to connect to your mobile playlist. The main balcony is a spacious enclosed wooden veranda with direct access from the lounge. The comfortable day room has retractable glass windows for both privacy and protection from outside noise and the elements. The lounge room also doubles as a third bedroom. This clever double sheer curtain divider will make your third bedroom private. The modern Scandinavian 3.5-seater sofa will convert into a queen-sized bed with an extra mattress. The modern open-plan kitchen is fully equipped with top brand appliances. There is glassware and tableware for 8 people, and of course pots and pans. The oversized fridge even has an inbuilt ice maker. There are no 5-star hotels in Pärnu just yet, so this is your chance to experience the very best Pärnu can offer you, right here in the city centre.